Hello everyone, this is Andrew, and today I'm going to show you some of the basics of HTML and how to write a simple page in HTML. So, what HTML is it's kind of the language behind the internet, the language behind web pages as we see them here. Back in the old days, not so much now, about 5-10 years ago, all web pages just use HTML. These days, web pages are more advanced, they use more advanced code and graphics. It's a combination of things like Flash, PHP, Java plugins, that kind of stuff. Back in the old days, pages were mostly constructed with HTML because they're very simple. They just had some text, maybe a GIF, a picture here and there, and a hyperlink. The thing is, you can go to every page. So, for example, I'm here at this Google Firefox page, and you can view the HTML on the page. Just go to right-click. Oh, there where you can see. So, just go to right-click and view page source here, and you will get this window. And what we have here is the actual HTML used in this page. As you can see, there is quite a lot of it. Even though there is not a lot of things on the page, but as you can see, this is HTML, and you can do this with pretty much every page. So just right click and go to view source in Windows Internet Explorer, for example. So that's some of the basics behind HTML. But what if you want to write your own HTML? Well, it's very simple. You don't need any compilers or anything. What you want to do is you just want to open up a notepad file. So here's a notepad file, and what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is you want to go File and Save As. So here we go, we File and Save As. Just wait for it to load. Here we go, and the thing is, usually you give it a name. I don't know, I gave my name Page, and you press save, and it will save it as a text document. What you want to do is you want to go .htm for HTML, and then you go to save. I already have a version of it, so I'm just going to say yes, and it should save as a HTML file, and in the directory you saved it, it should appear as an Internet Explorer, Firefox file, whatever you're using. So once we've done that, let's actually write something. So what we need to do is we do less than sign, and then HTML, and then more than sign. That signifies the beginning of the HTML page, and then we do less than slash HTML, like this. So what that signifies is the beginning and the end of the HTML page. This here means end, and remember this means end. Anytime there's the less than and more than sign and a slash there, that means end. If there isn't, it means the beginning. That's just the format. So we've now opened up kind of like the gates for the HTML page. Now the next thing we want to make a head, and what a head is basically it's a heading. It's a heading this up here, and there are two main parts in HTML. In HTML pages, there is the head and the body. The head is the heading up here, and the body is everything else inside the page. So to do a heading, you need to go less than head, more than, and then we go less than slash head, and now we have a heading. But we want to put something in the heading, so what you need to do is less than title, more than, and I'm going to go my web page, and then we do less than title and more than. Okay, so that will be the title of it. What we want to do is we quickly want to write the body part as well. So body, and let's just do it up here, down here, slash body. Here we go. So now we have a kind of a semi, this program is going to run. So let's just try it out. So we just go to File and Save, and then I'm just going to click the file. It's just lower down on my desktop, so I'm going to click it, and we open up a file, and there we go. The file's in my it gives me the directory of my file, and if you can see up here, it says my web page. and it says that if you're using a tab web browser, it's going to say it here. So as you can see, it works. So let's go back to the notepad file. So that's the head. Inside the body, you can now write text. So hello and welcome to my web page, like that. And if we save it, Control S, and then I'm going to click on it, and here we have a very basic HTML file. So let's just close both of these. So I hope this lesson was informative to you. Stay tuned, as I'm going to do a couple more lessons on HTML and show you some of the more advanced things to do with it, like different types of fonts, different colors, how to do hyperlinks, how to insert pictures. So thank you very much for watching.